Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a single notebook for each major life area so your notes don't collide. This is how you enforce separation. Once done, add sections for active projects and section groups for long-term containers like semesters or fiscal years, because organization depends on clear boundaries. Make sure to sign into OneNote and enable Cloud Sync so changes follow you across devices. This prevents version conflicts and lets you access notes from phone, tablet, or web immediately. You now structure individual notes. Use pages for meeting topics and subpages for action items so information stays nested logically. Then apply tags like to do, important, or question to surface tasks and key facts during search. Tags are how you convert clutter into an actionable list. Also create a simple template for recurring notes, agenda, decisions, and next steps, because consistent headings speed review and make automation, like tag-based searches or exports, far more reliable. You finish by scheduling a weekly review to archive completed pages, re-tag items, and update project sections so your system stays lean and useful. Once comfortable, automate simple routines with quick notes or linked notes for web research and meeting capture to reduce friction. Automation keeps momentum. Finally, export critical notebooks and confirm sync integrity periodically. If something goes wrong, re-sign into your account and force a manual sync. That usually resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.